Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. We've got some great reports coming up this week. We're going to start early Monday morning at 3 a.m. for the French flash manufacturing services and the German flash manufacturing. Both of those are family money trades. At 4:30 p.m. there's the British version of those reports, but there's no trade room for that event. 9:15 on Monday we'll be back in the trade room for the U.S. flash manufacturing services. Tuesday at 12:15 in the morning we'll be in the room for the Australia rate statement. At 4 a.m. if you're a European trader and you have the DAX or the FESX data feed, you might look at the German IFO business conditions report. We don't trade that currently, but it could move those markets. At 9:30 a.m. we'll be back in the room Tuesday for CB Consumer Confidence and Richmond Manufacturing, a family money trade and a YouTube stream. And then 4 p.m. API oil report, another family money trade, will be in the room for that. 9:30 p.m. is the Australia CPI, no trade room on that report. Wednesday, 9:45 a.m. we'll stream new home sales and then we'll stay in the room for crude oil inventories. Micron earnings is at 4:05 on Wednesday, no trade room, but we're watching that to see if it moves the market. Thursday morning, we're going to be in the trade room nice and early, 3:10 Eastern Time for the Swiss rate statement. And then at 6:50 in the morning, we'll be watching CarMax. No trade room, just watching it to see if it moves the market. Back in the trade room at 8 a.m. for GDP, durable goods, unemployment claims, 9:45 for pending home sales and natural gas storage, and then back in the room at 12:30 p.m. on Thursday for the 7-year note auction. Friday at 3 a.m., keep an eye on Spanish flash CPI and GDP. No trade room, but that may move the euro. It's possible. We're going to be watching that. We'll be in the room Friday at 8 a.m. for Canada GDP and the PCE price index, and then back at 9:30 for a final report of the week, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Should be a great week. Keep an eye on your email for a great offer to be a member of 10-Minute Trades Pro version. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing off.